What I'm doing is I'm taking some Scotch-Brite pad, what I call it. It's this thin strip of it. And I'm going to go into where the brush fits and just rub it back and forth. You don't have to bear down on it or anything. Just enough to clean any grime that's in there out. Let's see how it looks. I need a little more. You can't push down too hard, because if you do, you'll scratch that, and that might give you more problems than what you want. Now, I don't know if you can see down in this or not, but let me see this other side. I should have showed you before I started. Well, okay, if you can see it, turn your screen backwards here, and I'll get the light in there. All right. Can you see down in that? Let me see. I don't think you can. Well, you might be able to. It's got a little bit of rust in there. It's not rust because it's brass. But this side wasn't sticking, but I'm going to clean it anyway. Alright, now take a little more just rub this all sides of this. Of course, the large sides. Alright, what I'm doing now is I'm scrubbing the edges of this brush just enough to clean it up. Don't take a whole lot. There's no use in doing the wide part because they don't touch anything except for the corners. And all right, now we know it was this side. Yeah, this side that was sticking. So let's find out if it's going to stick again. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. Now I want to test that to see if the field has got anything bad or anything. I'll check it the same way I did with the thing. I'll check our clamp. It doesn't really matter which end you use, but you touch your metal inside, and if that metal shows, if it's got a short in it, that's what you'll hear. And it's not showing a short on that side. Let's check this side. Good. Alright, that field shows good. Armature shows good, so let's put it back together. And let me see. I might need to just put a little bit of grease in that. Let me get some clean rags. And I've got a little bit of axle grease here. That's the only kind of grease I've got. Lithium grease. And I don't want to put lithium grease in there. I'm not going to clean that old grease out. Just because I may not be able to get it all back in there like it's supposed to be. Now I'll take a little bit more. Just dab a little bit on this gear. Worm gear. Let's see. Bearing's still good. Come on. There you go. Oh, wait a minute. I want to take this, clean this armature. So, back in a minute. Well, I was going to use my drill press, but drill press ain't big enough. So what I'm going to have to do is do it by hand. And I'll use this Scotch Brite. All I got to do just turn it like this, put it on there. See the difference in it? That's good enough. Ain't got to do a whole lot. Alright. Now, I got to change this wire here before I'm going to test this wire. It may not have been this wire. It could have been the let's see. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder at the end of these wires. This is the ones off of it. You see that they soldered them. And this is the wire that's been chewed off. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my soldering kit out and solder these two wires here. This has a spot for a second ground, but it does not have a screw in it, and I don't know if I have one to fit that or not. Let me try to. Oh, but anyway, while I solder these, it's going to take a while for everything to heat up, so I'll be back in a little while. Bye.